If you have a phone and internet, you're already set to start these 3 AI-powered side hustles. The best part? You don't need any money to begin or prior experience. Just 2 hours a day to spare. After spending weeks searching through YouTube for realistic side hustle ideas, all I found were ridiculous suggestions like donating stool for $500. Seriously? But don't worry, this isn't one of those gimmicks. I'm not here to sell you a course or any hidden upsell. What makes these side hustles even better is that AI does most of the hard work for you. With these tools, you can easily manage all 3 side hustles at the same time to maximize your earnings. Let's jump into the first one. The first side hustle we're diving into is creating AI-generated videos to sell digital products. Wondering how it works? Let me explain. Imagine this. An Instagram page garners millions of views from simple AI-generated videos. Videos you can create in just seconds. Since Instagram doesn't pay for views, the creator monetized their audience by placing a link to a digital product in their bio, priced at $20. Now, here's the mind-blowing part. They've amassed over 4,600 members. Let's do the math. 4,600 members times $20 equals over $124,000. Incredible, right? To start, you'll need Instagram and TikTok accounts, as these platforms are ideal for this type of content. Brand your profiles with an eye-catching name and logo to make them stand out. Once your accounts are set up, the next step is to create the videos. Start by taking a screenshot of a video style you want to replicate. Use ChatGPT to describe the screenshot, which will give you a prompt for generating similar visuals. Then, head over to Leonardo AI, a free tool to create your images. Enter the prompt, choose the realistic Kino style, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, and hit generate. When you've got the visuals, don't download them just yet. To make your images come to life, use a motion tool to animate them. Adjust the speed to 3 or 4, and within seconds, you'll have engaging animated videos. Add some background music to enhance their appeal, and your videos will be ready to post. Now comes the monetization part. Place a link to a digital product in your bio to start earning. If you don't have a product of your own, don't worry. I've included links to free tools and resources in the description, including a resellable digital product you can use. To sell your digital product, create a Gumroad account. Set the price. A great starting point is $9.99. Upload an image, write a compelling description, and add your content. Once your product is live, include the Gumroad link in your social media bios. Then, start posting your AI-generated videos consistently. As your content gains traction, you'll begin to see sales rolling in. The second side hustle is offering voiceover services on Fiverr, and it's one of the easiest businesses you can start. Many sellers on Fiverr have made over 1,000 sales, even beginners. This shows that voiceover services are in high demand. The best part? You don't even need to record your voice. We'll use a tool called ElevenLabs to create professional voiceovers, making the process super simple. To get started, create a seller account on Fiverr. It's quick and easy. Fill out your profile with all the necessary details. If you're unsure how to write descriptions or tags, you can use ChatGPT to generate them for you. When setting up your first gig, consider offering services in languages with less competition, like Spanish or German. These gigs also attract a lot of buyers. Start with a low price to get your first clients and build good reviews. Once you have a solid reputation, you can raise your price to around $25 for every 200 words. When you get your first order, head over to ElevenLabs, a free tool that gives you 10,000 credits to use. Browse the available voice options until you find one that matches what your client wants. There are plenty of choices, so it's easy to meet their preferences. Add the client's text, click Generate, and you'll instantly have a high-quality voiceover.
Había una vez, en un bosque tranquilo, un león que descansaba bajo un gran árbol. Mientras dormía profundamente, un pequeño ratón pasó corriendo por su cola, despertándolo.
Finally, send the audio file to your client, and you're done. It's a simple and effective way to start making money online. The third side hustle is selling AI-generated ebooks on Google Books. Think about how many people use Google every day. This is a great chance to earn passive income. The trick is to focus on trending topics instead of random subjects to ensure quick sales. I tried this method and made 9 sales in my first week. Even after Google takes a 30% cut, it's still profitable. Here's how you can get started. First, create a Google Books account if you don't already have one. Fill out your details, including your payment information, so you can receive your earnings. Next, go to Google Trends and filter by the last 7 days. Select Show Only Active Trends and sort by relevance. Choose a trending topic. This is what will help your ebook stand out. Now, you'll need prompts to guide the entire process, from the title to the content and cover. Use ChatGPT to generate these. Start by entering your topic and asking ChatGPT for the perfect title. Once the title is ready, move on to creating the content. Don't ask ChatGPT directly to write an ebook. Instead, use the Explore GPTs feature and search for the ebook creation app. This app will generate a full ebook for you, complete with a table of contents and chapters. After the content is ready, copy it into Google Docs. On the first page, add the title only. Leave the second page blank, then include the table of contents. For the remaining pages, place one chapter per page. To create a professional cover, use Leonardo AI. Enter the provided prompt to generate a cover image, download it, and use Canva to add the title text. Insert the finished cover as the second page of your document. Finally, download the entire ebook as a PDF. Now it's time to publish. Go back to Google Books, click Add eBook, fill in the details, upload your file, and hit Publish. That's it. Your ebook is now live and ready to generate passive income. Once you start these 3 AI side hustles, it's almost guaranteed you'll earn $100 to $200 a day. If one hustle is earning more than the others, focus more time on it to maximize your income. Good luck, and see you next time.